Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with some nice upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift kit, pocket-style fender flares that do match the two-tone body color, running our bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear tires, and sitting on some 20-inch KMC rims with some 35-inch TOYO RT open country tires on there. You've got some pretty nice upgrades right there, but let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back, we have very spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you want to put back here, with a collapsible and lockable storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge right here. And then in the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as two more right in the middle with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and a 110-volt, and then you do also have heated rear seats with 2 levels each. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding and telescoping towing mirrors as well, and then 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors once again. And now sitting in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone radio controls, and on the left hand side you have your cruise controls, and then your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at things such as your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, and then your compass. And you also have truck information such as your transmission temperature, diesel exhaust fluid, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, and all of your maintenance information there. You have your towing status and information, your off-road status, settings for features around your vehicle, and your screen setup in general. And then way back over to the beginning, you have your favorites view, where you can put any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. You have your digital climate controls with dual front climate, and your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for features around your vehicle and your screen in general. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors that will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that, and a dynamic hitch view, so you can hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, and your lane departure warning. Above that, you do also have a premium B&O audio system in this truck, so your music or whatever is going to sound pretty good. Moving down from that though, you have your physical, media, and climate controls here, once again with dual front climate and heated and air conditioned front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and a trailer brake controller underneath it. And over on the right side you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet, and down here you have this cubby which opens up to reveal a wireless charging pad, so if your vehicle or if your phone is compatible, you can just throw it on there and it'll start to charge, and a USB and USB-C, so you can plug that in from there and charge up. Then you do have your center console area with 2 cup holders, can be turned into 4, or just for storage area or storage space over here, you can have that. And you have your lockable center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious, does also have a removable tray, and inside you do also have another 12-volt power outlet. And then looking up, you do also have a twin panel moonroof, so you can let in the sunshine on a nice sunny day or a breeze while you're out for a cruise, as well as 6 auxiliary switches which can be wired up or programmed however you please. And then last but not least, you do also have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're in the market for a truck with some nice upgrades pre-installed, this is certainly an excellent choice. But feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.